Simple present tense examples in English. In this video, I will teach you how to use the present simple tense in different situations. Regular routine. They go to park every day. They go to park every day. Work commitment. I work 8 hours a day. I work 8 hours a day. Place of residence. My brother lives in Canada. My brother lives in Canada. Expressing preferences. I like this dress. I like this dress. Describing appearance. You look sad. You look sad. Seeking information. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Animal behavior. Dogs bark at strangers. Dogs bark at strangers. Consistent thought. I always think about you. I always think about you. Admitting errors. I admit my mistake. I admit my mistake. Personal traits. You never admit your mistakes. You never admit your mistakes. Language proficiency. They speak fluent English. They speak fluent English. Learning endeavor. We learn English. We learn English. Class schedule. Our English class starts at 10 a.m. Our English class starts at 10 a.m. Self-appraisal. I don't like my hair. I don't like my hair. Family resemblance. You look like your father. You look like your father. Weather pattern. Usually, it gets cold at night. Usually, it gets cold at night. Social behavior. He always makes fun of others. He always makes fun of others. Compliments. She looks pretty in a yellow dress. She looks pretty in a yellow dress. Fashion advice. This dress doesn't suit you. This dress doesn't suit you. Weekend plans. They enjoy party every weekend. They enjoy party every weekend. Alone time. I like to be alone sometimes. I like to be alone sometimes. Honesty trait. She never tells a lie. She never tells a lie. Family awareness. My sister knows about our relationship. My sister knows about our relationship. Likes and dislikes. She likes him a lot. She likes him a lot. Conflict resolution. We don't fight. We don't fight. Recreational activity. We play video games sometimes. We play video games sometimes. Frequency note. It doesn't happen all the time. It doesn't happen all the time. Personal experience. It happens to me all the time. It happens to me all the time. Job inquiry. Do you work for a software company? Do you work for a software company? Understanding support. I understand your point. I understand your point. Consistent mistakes. You always make mistakes. You always make mistakes. Invitation inquiry. Don't you want to come with me? Don't you want to come with me? Respectful behavior. He doesn't respect others. He doesn't respect others. Emotional inquiry. Don't you love me? Don't you love me? Affection confirmed. He loves me. He loves me. Baking skills. My sister bakes awesome cookies. My sister bakes awesome cookies. Physical activity. We work out a couple of days a week. We work out a couple of days a week. Dreams and aspirations. She wants to marry a rich guy. She wants to marry a rich guy. Emotional state. She keeps on crying. She keeps on crying. Meeting intent. My father wants to meet you. My father wants to meet you. Encouragement. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. Emotional trigger. He always makes me angry. He always makes me angry. Avoiding misunderstandings. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Financial request. Please don't ask me for money. Please don't ask me for money. Declining help. I don't want your help. I don't want your help. Morning routine. I prefer coffee in the morning. I prefer coffee in the morning. Night activities. Tom doesn't go out at night. Tom doesn't go out at night. Academic excellence. She always gets good grades. She always gets good grades. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.